'Twas 7 days till Christmas and some guy was worried. Must find a garage in a definite hurry. I need the right cases with tools just so many to entertain the YouTube with gadgets aplenty. Under the workbench there was such a pile. Take one out each day to make everyone smile. Some guy exclaimed as he looked what's in sight. Merry Casemass to all, let me pick one just right. On the 6th day of Casemass, my workbench gave to me a brake caliper tool set. So turn this around and open it up. But what this is, remove the foam here, is a set of tools that are used for retracting the calipers on certain types of vehicles. Typically, you'll see these most commonly on rear brakes where there is a parking brake integrated into the main brake cylinder. So with those, rather than just pushing and compressing, like you would with this sort of tool, where you put this between the piston and the back of the caliper and then just tighten this down. So this is for a normal caliper. With some, you need to both push and twist at the same time. And that's what this provides. So it has two different tools here. One is a right-hand thread and one's a left-hand thread. So depending on which way the caliper needs to be rewound, you can do both ways. And then, so what you do is a backing pad, this slips over the top of the wrench here and slides in like that. And then it has a couple pins on here, which you can use directly those, but notches up with one of the little adapters here. And then you're able to spin and push the caliper back in. And as you can see, those pins will line up in the piston of the caliper and push and turn at the same time. Sometimes you can get away with, say, using needle nose pliers and pushing really hard, but if it's at all stiff, you need a tool like this. And then once they're rewound, the nice thing is you can take a wrench on the flats here and back this off, I guess in the other direction in this case, but you can back this off so that you can actually extract this out from the caliper. And now your piston's all the way retracted and you can put in your new brake pads. And as you can see with the other one here, it just will put it the same orientation, but as you tighten, it actually closes down and goes the other way. So just the different thread and all the different adapter plates. So if I grab another one here, they all just fit on that same way like that. And whatever special pinning and fitment is needed for that particular vehicle. And that's why there are so many different types here, is all the manufacturers are a little different. And so you might need different pin arrangements. You can see this one has 4, that one has a little hex on it, that one's kind of flat, but they all have slightly different arrangements so that you can retract the right kind of caliper on the particular vehicle. And so for the 6th day of Christmas, we had a brake caliper retraction tool set. One case done and another day closer. Become a subscriber, don't miss another. Merry Casemass to all, and we'll see you tomorrow.